You can add a navigation widget to your site from the widget section in the left sidebar. However, most templates will already include this widget. Click on the navigation widget to bring up the customization options. You can adjust the background and text color, number of visible pages, and the selected page's background color. It's often a good idea to put the navigation menu inside your header so it will appear on all pages of your site. This makes it easier for visitors to find their way around. Remember, in the global design section, you can choose different navigation styles for tablet and mobile. The navigation menu contains links to all the pages listed in the Pages section of the left sidebar. If you want to know how to add, delete, or hide pages, we'll be covering that in the next lesson.